So at Atlas Seed, to ensure customer loyalty and satisfaction, on commercial cultivator sides, we provide 5% overage seed, over any amount that they order. That's just because we enjoy also being able to select in our own propagation houses the strongest plants. For smaller customers that are buying retail packs, I actually have a retail pack in front of us. We will, our germination policy is we don't send anything out that's less than 90%, that germs at less than 90%. If customers don't experience that germination rate, we've added extra seeds in the packs. So every 3-pack has 1 extra seed, every 5-pack has 2 extra seeds, and every 10-pack has 3 extra seeds. Those seeds are in addition to the ones you've purchased, that hopefully if there is an issue with germination rate, you'll have a bonus or a couple bonus seeds there that'll get you up to that level that you want to be at. In the event that that customers are still unsuccessful or are still unhappy, we will send you a free pack of seeds to either of the same variety or of a different variety to just help keep the customer happy and engaged.
Good.